Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to request a payment in PayPal. So let's get started. At first, let's go to any browser and search for PayPal. Now click on this website over here. Now we need to click on login. So let's tap on login. Now write your email address and password to login. Now click on login. So now we are in PayPal interface. Now to request money, we need to type on request money over here. So let's tap on this. See here, we need to type the email address or username where we are sending the money or requesting the payment, and we need to type the amount and click on request a payment. So now the payment is finally requested. So this is how you can request payment in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.